Hey everybody, Caleb Dennison with Digital Trends, and there are two very obvious trends happening at CES 2019 right now, 8K and huge. The TV behind me is both of those things. This is Sony's brand new 98-inch Z9G. Now the series, the Master Series television goes in 55, 65, 75, 85, and now 98 inches. This is an absolutely masterful TV in terms of its size and scale. In terms of its picture quality, well, we'll have to dig in a little bit deeper when we finally get to review it, but the fact that they moved it up to a 98-incher is impressive indeed. It features the X1 Ultimate processor, which is really important because that particular processor is needed in order to drive all the various different zones and peak brightness levels that this TV is trying to exhibit. This test footage, we've seen it before, it's still very impressive. It's just one of those things where the bigger you go, the more processing you need, the more coverage you're going to have to get from the backlighting system. Looks like Sony's done a pretty great job at first blush. What's really interesting is they just had like a 50-minute press conference in which they did not mention any products. And we've noticed that a couple of the series of TVs that they have announced, there's an X950G and an X800G, they're not here right now. So they're really focused on this big boy right behind me. That's it for us from Sony's booth at CES 2019. We will see you on the next one.